In this video, I will show you how to edit Urban Denim filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Contrast to +10. Highlights bring to -30. Shadows to +50. White to -30. Black to -30. Go to curve and follows the steps. Next go to color. Temperature to +4. Tint to +2. -15 for vibrance. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Hue to +20. Saturation to 15. And luminance to -10. Next go to orange. Saturation to +5. And luminance to +35. Next go to yellow. Saturation to -80. And luminance to -5. Next go to green. Hue to -80. Saturation to -40. Next go to aqua. Saturation to -50. Next go to blue. Hue to -50. Saturation to -50. And luminance to -10. Next go to purple. Saturation to -60. And next go to magenta. Saturation to -60. And done. Next go to effects. Clarity to +30. And Dez to +10. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 225 and saturation to 25 of highlights. And hue to 220 and saturation to 5 of shadows. And balance to +10. And done. Next go to details. Sharpening to +10. Noise reduction to +12. And color reduction to +8. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password. That appears in the upper right corner as a card. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.